Hi everyone, good afternoon and good morning or good evening. Happy Sunday. I hope you had a lovely Sunday with your family. Well, today we're here. We decided to go here in Malahide Beach, and I'm just looking at the the path where I'm walking into, because maano po siya, malambot dahil low tide. Nandito ako sa baba. So ayan po yung view from the Malahide Beach. Nandito ako mismo po sa sand. Low tide po ngayon, kaya nandito po ako, medyo malambot po yung yung aking inaapakan. So, ang ganda po ng panahon ngayon, though it's not sunny. Medyo cloudy po siya, pero still it's a beautiful day to be out and with my family. So, nandito po ako kasama ang aking husband, na nandun po siya. Siya po ay he's listening to music. And this is my son. Andun po naman siya, naglalakad. Andoon, tinitingnan niyo po ang view. Say hi! Kirst! Kirst! He cannot hear me. So, andyan po, ang ganda po ng ng view. Very simple, pero it's relaxing. Nakaka-relax po yung time na nandito kayo, kasi yung nakikita nyo yung nature. Tapos nakikita nyo po may somebody are boating, and that's my husband. He's waving. All the wings of love open above the clouds. Ayun po siya. Ang dami pong boat banda doon, mga yate pa yata ang naandoon sa malayo. Medyo malayo-layo po. Ayan. Ang sarap ng ng pakiramdam na andito sa labas. For me, para sa akin po, gusto ko po yung I'm always near sa nature. Nakaka-relax po siya. At ang sarap ng ng hangin na fresh. And some people are also doing, I think they are fishing. Andun po, nagfi-fish. Yung Sunday po dito, it's always a family day. Kaya po nung ako'y nagwo-work noon, few years ago, sa retail, and I cannot do this kind of things every Saturday or Sunday, dahil syempre pag alam nyo naman na palaging may work sa shop sa mga kapag weekend, and it's the busiest time. So meron din pong mga tao dun sa taas, sila po yung mga nagre-relax. Hindi nyo po makita kasi nandito ako sa baba eh. So meron pong mga taong nakaupo lang, nakahiga. They're just relaxing. They're enjoying the view kasama yung mga family. Kaya po, I'm just really grateful. Palagi nyo pong maririnig na grateful talaga ako, dahil ang hirap po ng pakiramdam na wala po kayong time sa family. Lalo pag weekend na lahat sila ay free, tas kayo nagpo-work. It's very hard. Mabigat po sa dibdib ang gano'n na wala kayong time. So ngayon po, since I found this business, it gives me flexibility of time talaga po, na while I'm here enjoying my time with my family, outside or anywhere we go, yung business po ay nagra-run in the background. Once it has been set up po kasi, dahil it runs in automation, and the good thing is you can also bring it anywhere. Tulad po ngayon, I just use my phone and then my internet connection, so still nagagawa ko po ang business if I want to. So may mga nagsiswimming din po dun sa malayo-layo. So ang ganda po ng ng gantong way of life for me, na nagre-relax kayo kasamang family. So I hope kayo din po is you have time to spend with family and do the things that you love. Kung kayo po ay single or mahalaga po yung meron din tayong time para sa sarili natin. It's a self-care. And ayan po, may mga tao pa pong dumarating ngayon. Lakad-lakad po sila. So, kung nakikita niyo po, ayun o. So, sa mga nanonood po at sa mga manonood ng aking video, kindly comment po below where you are watching me from para po at kung ano po ang ginagawa nyo every Sunday para po ma-shoutout po kayo. So, maraming salamat po and have a blessed day. Bye guys. Thanks again.